I'm going to go over how to install the XAMPP software. What you want to do is go to Google, type in XAMPP. You can click on a link here. I'm just going to click on download. Whichever operating system you have, click on the latest one. This one's 808182, so the latest one. Download. I already have this downloaded. It's right here. To install it, you want to right click on it, run as admin. And you'll receive this pop-up question here. It says, seems you have antivirus running. I recommend turning off all antivirus. I have this one, which is the Avast. And I'm going to just disable it for an hour while I'm working. Click OK. That disabled my antivirus. You can see it says it's unprotected. Then I'll click yes. UAC, you want to do user access control, which is this one right here in your search, and put it all the way to the bottom. The default should be around right here, and just do never notify. Click OK. After you do that, click OK. This will make sure that the permissions, it has all the permissions it needs to install the XAMPP. If not, you will probably have errors after the install. Click OK. Click next. Everything else from here for the setup, just leave default. Remember where it's going to be saved at. You can change to any folder you want, but just remember where you saved the XAMPP at. So this one's defaulted to C, XAMPP. English, next, next, and then it's going to install all the necessary files. It might take a little bit to install, so alright, once it finishes installing, it's going to ask you to start the control panel. You can start it. Just leave that checked and finish. The control panel is going to look like this here. Nothing has been started. So we can test to see if these are working by pushing start, green, and then you'll see running. So Apache is working, and MySQL, looks like MySQL is running too. So it's green, green, both are good. As far as these, you don't really need to do anything on these three. The main important one is the first and second one. Alright, so as far as installing the WebTech files, you want to go to the site here that I got linked. Click on WebTech zip, download that. I have it here. Open up the zip folder. and you want to open up your C drive wherever the XAMPP folder was. So C drive, XAMPP, and then you want to go to htdocs. You can delete all of these if you want. These are just the default ones that comes with XAMPP. But what you want to do is extract this folder in here to your htdocs. Now you have this folder, and then you want to open up a web browser and go to http localhost. Localhost means it's your computer which you started the XAMPP server, and that folder was that htdocs folder on your C drive here, and then you're going to refer to this folder webtech. Once you click on that, you'll see that the files that you extracted from the C drive here, webtech, and you're pretty much, what it pulls up is this index HTML and everything else in here. So that's how you install the webtech, and then you can get your files from here to work off of. So for instance, if you click on the first one, all of your working files are already created here. And you can download each one if you wanted to, or you can click on one of these, like let's say add two numbers, annual temp HTML. Alright, that's pretty much it for installing XAMPP. If you can see this, then you've installed it correctly, and hopefully everything works out for you. If not, you can reach out to me. Thank you.